Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set an alarm on your Alexa speaker. Okay, so we got two methods. The first one, we can make it on the Amazon application, so we have to simply go for our device. Next, go for this tab, alarms and the timers. Click to add alarm, tap on the plus. Here you can customize, you can pick the device, so you can use it on the phone or on the speaker. You can set the repeat, date, sound and change time. If you set up everything, just click save. And as you can see, the alarm is turned on for our Echo speaker. To turn it off or turn it on, just click on the switcher. Also we can use the voice command Alexa. Set up alarm clock on 8 AM for tomorrow.
Second alarm set for 8 AM tomorrow. Would you like this alarm set for every weekday?
Yes, please.
Alarm set for every weekday at 8 AM.
And as you can see right now, it's already added right here. That was very smooth and very quick, so that's how you can make it wireless with the speaker and wire it with your device. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.